Hello friends! Right now we are going to show you top 3 Osmosis Water Filter System. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range.
Number 1. Waterdrop T3M Remineralization Reverse Osmosis Water Filter. NSF ANSI 372 certified, 9-stage under-sink RO system, 450 GPD tankless RO water filtration system, 2:1 pure to drain, plug-in required. Brand Waterdrop, model name WDRT34-WMA, special feature 450 GPD remineralization tankless RO system, 9-stage, NSF ANSI 372 certified, 2:1 pure to drain, plug-in required. Advanced 8-stage filtration. The Waterdrop Reverse Osmosis Water Filter, WDT3M, uses advanced 9-stage filtration to reduce heavy metals, chlorine, PFOA, and PFOS with a 0.001 micron RO membrane, while enriching water with minerals for better taste and health. Tested by a third-party laboratory. Mineral infused. Enjoy mineral-rich water with our advanced reverse osmosis system. Infused with calcium, magnesium, and other essential minerals, it enhances the taste of drinks while supporting bone health and daily hydration needs. 450 GPD fast flow and smart alerts. Experience fast, steady 450 GPD water flow. Our under-sink RO system smart alerts remind you when to replace filters, and the all-in-one cartridge enables effortless replacement in seconds, making pure water drinking completely effortless. Note: faucet installation requires drilling holes in the countertop. Number 2. Waterdrop G3P600 Reverse Osmosis System. 8-stage tankless reverse osmosis water filter, under-sink RO system, 2:1 pure to drain, smart LED faucet. Brand Waterdrop. Special feature 8-stage filtration, 600 GPD high capacity, 2:1 low drain ratio, smart display faucet. Material: 1. System cover plastic, 2. Faucet metal, 3. RO filter reverse osmosis membrane and carbon block and PP cotton, 4. CF filter PP cotton and carbon block. Capacity: 600 gallons. Included components: RO system, RO CF CB filter, faucet PE pipes T-fitting. Package information: cartridge. Installation type: under sink. Purification method: carbon block reverse osmosis. Power source: corded electric. Trusted certifications. Waterdrop G3P600 Reverse Osmosis System is certified against NSF ANSF 58 for TDS reduction and NSF ANSF 372 for lead-free material. Also, it has been tested and certified against NSF 42 to reduce chlorine, bad taste, and odor. The tankless reverse osmosis system is also certified by the Federal Communications Commission. Besides, it meets the EU standards and UKCA standards for safety. Number 3. VIOMI 800 GPD PFAS Reduction Reverse Osmosis System. NSF and ANSI 42, 53, and 372 certified. 9-stage and 48 months filter. Tankless RO water filter system under sink. Smart LED reminder. Include 1 extra filter. Brand VIOMI. Special feature 3:1 pure to drain ratio, 9-stage filtration, filter replacement indicator, reduced TDS, tankless. Material: brushed nickel LED faucet, PCB filter, carbon block and PP cotton, RO filter, reverse osmosis membrane and carbon block and PP cotton, system cover, plastic. Capacity: 800 gallons. Package information: tankless. Installation type: under sink. Purification method: carbon block, reverse osmosis. Power source: corded electric. Important compatibility and installation note: this purifier works only with the included faucet, cannot connect to other faucets, refrigerators, or ice makers. Installation requires 2 holes, one on the countertop for the RO faucet and a second under the sink for the drain pipe. A standard dedicated electrical outlet is required. Before buying, measure under sink space for proper fit, allow 2.0 to 3.9 inches rear clearance for tubing, and account for existing items like disposers, plumbing, and supplies.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.